Today, Morgan Hill, California, LiftMasters LA 412 PKGU kit XL series. You'll notice, walk over here, we installed a 20-watt solar panel to charge the unit into a box trenched here. So I'm going to walk out here and open the gate. Gate is opening. It was existing gate with no motor. The customer had some vandalism on his property. They gave us a call and installed LiftMasters 412 solar unit. It's the XL series. Has a larger battery in it, a larger solar panel. You'll notice here we also installed LiftMasters KPW5 keypad on a gooseneck. Customer ordered a fire key switch, which we wired in. I'm going to close the gate here. There it's closing. Customer had no utilities, so we had to do the solar version. And there it is, folks. Another satisfied customer today here in Morgan Hill, California. For any of your gate needs, call West Coast Door and Gates today at Morgan Hill, San Jose, and now in Monterey.